Good morning, sir. Are you the person named in the caption of the Eastern District Court? Yes, I am. Did you testify in that matter? No, I did not. Were you granted any immunity in that case? Not to the best of my knowledge. Was that action not against capital correspondence? Yes, it was. To the best of my knowledge, it was. And you were named as a party? Defendant's counsel. Your Honor, I am going to object. I ask if counsel is reading from a document that he show it to the witness. The court. First, he can ask him questions. If the witness doesn't remember, he may have to show it. I don't know. If I was named as a party, I don't know about that. I know that I was the person that spoke to a person who worked for Mr. Gorin, and I explained the deal to him, meaning the deal that was being done, and after that he met Andrew, and Andrew did the deal. Was there any action taken against you as a result of this matter? No. Are you familiar with any action taken against the defendant as a result of this matter? No. Who is Mr. William Gorin, do you know? He is the owner of a brokerage firm on Long Island. Did he make an investment in the corporation? Not in that corporation, but in the association. Did you arrange that matter? I arranged the introductory part of it. Are you now a licensed stockbroker? Yes, I am. And you were licensed when? That year? The exact date was July 6, 1994, to my best memory, to the best of my memory. You said, as a matter of fact, you were employed by a retail brokerage firm as a salesman. Do you own a car? No, I don't. Did you own a car back in that time in question? Defendant's counsel. Objection. What is the relevance? Plaintiff's counsel. Subject to connection, Your Honor. The court. It has to do with credibility. I will take it. Did you own or drive a car in February of 2001? In February of 2001, I did not own a car then, but I did drive a car. Whose car did you drive? A friend's car. What is the name of the friend? Defendant's counsel. Your Honor, what is the relevance of whose car? The court. Overruled. What is the name of the friend? Yes, there is a bunch of friends. I must have driven at least 3 or 4 friends' cars. Did you ever drive a car owned by Mr. Moore? No. Did you ever drive a car owned by Mr. Black? No. Did you know Messrs. Black and Moore before the February date? I got to say something. Excuse me, I just got to say something. The court, don't say anything. Answer the question unless you want to correct an answer you made before. Yes, in a way it is relevant, if the court please. I did own a car. I did drive a car owned by the company 550 Realty Incorporated, which is owned by Frank Black. But that was temporary. I drove it once or twice. How old is Alan? Defendant's counsel. Your Honor, I am going to object to that last line of questioning. The witness testified he drove a car owned by a separate company, not a party to this transaction. What is the relevance? The court. I don't know, but I am going to allow it. Mr. Black is one of the payees on that note. How old is Alan? He is a couple of years younger than me. How old are you? 29. I think he is 27. I'm not sure. Did you ever meet John Andrew? Yes. Did he ever come to the office of the Renaissance Company? Not to the best of my knowledge. Was he anything more than, in your words, the owner's father, as far as you are concerned? Those are your words? He was the owner's father. Aside from the fact that he helped Alan out by loaning him money and he was the owner of a friend, nothing else. You testified that the father loaned him money from Magic Trading Account. Yes. Will you define the word trading account for the court? Was that the name of the company? Could it be Magic Knitting? Well, this trading account has been referred to, or was it an account maintained with Renaissance? I am asking the questions. All right. In other words, it is a checking or savings or banking account of some kind held with a bank. Is that correct? Correct. The court, just answer the question. Is that a correct statement? Yes, that is correct. Was there, in fact, a securities trading account within Renaissance, to the best of your knowledge, if you know this, in the name of magic? No.